Ryan's too busy playing games. Somebody gotta feed him. Ryan, like your game? Yes? You won't even answer me. Ryan, do you like your game?
Like the game?
Alright. What are you playing? What's that? Penguins? What is it? What is it?
More bread.
More bread? Yes, sir.
Peanut.
Yes, sir. I'm your slave in here. You busy? What are you playing? What else do you need while you're playing your games?
More.
More what? More peanut? Yes, sir. Anything else? You sure you don't want some juice?
No. Help.
Okay. Ryan, can you say thank you? Say thank you, Mom, for the toy. Ryan.
Put the page.
Okay. Would you say thank you, Mom,
Thank you, Mom.
for the toy?
Go.
And give a kiss. Mwah.
Mwah.
Thank you.
More peanut.
More peanut? Yes, sir.
Peanut.
There you go. All right. Thank you, Mom, so much for the toy. He loves it, as you see.